In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a clean and pristine home can feel like an overwhelming task. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust and dirt or stubborn sticky messes, finding a cleaning solution that is both effective and effortless is a game changer. This Bissell Hard Floor Mop Cleaner, Silver Spinwave plus a powerhouse in home cleaning that promises to transform your routine. This detailed review will explore the features, benefits, and real-world performance of this versatile cleaning tool, and why it should be your next purchase. The Bissell Spinwave Plus is designed to take the drudgery out of floor cleaning with its innovative powered hard floor mop. This machine leverages the power of rotating pads to scrub your floors, ensuring a thorough cleaning without the need for manual scrubbing. The power spin pads significantly reduce cleaning effort while delivering a hands and knees clean, leaving your floors sparkling and spotless. One of the standout features of the Bissell Spinwave Plus is its versatility. It is safe for cleaning all types of sealed hard surface floors, including tile, linoleum, vinyl, and hardwood. This means you can use it throughout your home, from the kitchen to the living room, without worrying about damaging your floors. The inclusion of soft touch cleaning pads ensures gentle cleaning for delicate surfaces like hardwood, while the scrubby pads tackle tough, sticky messes with ease. The Bissell Spinwave Plus doesn't just make cleaning easier, it makes it more effective. The on-demand spray feature allows you to control the amount of cleaning solution dispensed onto your floors, ensuring that you use just the right amount for each task. Whether you're dealing with a small spill or a larger area that needs deep cleaning, you can customize your cleaning experience to match the job at hand. The machine also includes an extra set of mop pads, an extra bottle of formula, and a bristle brush for particularly sticky messes. These additional accessories enhance the Spinwave Plus's cleaning performance, making it a comprehensive cleaning solution for any home. For pet owners, the Bissell Spinwave Plus is a particularly attractive option. Every purchase helps save pets, as Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. By buying this product, you're not only investing in a cleaner home, but also contributing to a worthy cause. This makes the Spinwave Plus a socially responsible choice for conscientious consumers. Ease of use is a key consideration for any cleaning device, and the Bissell Spinwave Plus excels in this area. The machine features a 28-ounce clean water tank capacity, which means you can clean larger areas without frequent refills. The lightweight design and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight spaces, ensuring that you can clean every nook and cranny of your home. The Spinwave Plus also comes with a convenient storage tray, making it easy to store and keep all the accessories organized. The simplicity of setup and operation means you can get started on your cleaning tasks quickly, saving you time and effort. In real-world use, the Bissell Spinwave Plus delivers on its promises. Users have reported excellent results on a variety of surfaces, with the power spin pads effectively lifting and removing dirt, grime, and stains. The on-demand spray function is particularly useful for controlling the cleaning solution, ensuring that floors are not left too wet or sticky. The inclusion of multiple cleaning pads and the extra bottle of formula means that you're always prepared for any cleaning challenge, whether it's a quick touch-up or a more intensive deep clean. The bristle brush accessory is a standout feature for tackling particularly stubborn messes, making the Spinwave Plus a versatile and reliable tool in any cleaning arsenal. Conclusion: the Bissell Hard Floor Mop Cleaner, Silver Spinwave Plus is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine and achieve a higher standard of cleanliness in their home. Its powerful cleaning technology, versatility, and user-friendly design make it an excellent investment for busy households. The added benefit of supporting a charitable cause with your purchase makes it a socially responsible choice as well. Ready to elevate your cleaning game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how the Bissell Spinwave Plus can transform your home cleaning experience. Invest in the Bissell Spinwave Plus today and experience the difference that advanced cleaning technology can make. Your home and your floors will thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.